Hello, bud. This is your girl Nikita Shanae, and welcome back to my channel. So, as you can tell by the title, I want to show you guys my birthday watch. My birthday just passed probably about 2 weeks ago, July 29th, Leo Nation, of course. And I wanted to do I wanted to buy myself a gift that I've been looking at for some time now. It was pretty expensive. So my thought process, and I think most nurses think like this when they trying to buy like a really expensive gift for them or themselves or someone else. They just like, well, I just work one extra shift. So that's what I did. I worked one extra shift to be able to pay for this watch. And at the same time, I feel like I made sure that I wasn't spending more than what I was in those 12 hours. I wanted to make sure I wasn't spending more than what I wanted to for the watch. I don't know if that makes any sense. Like, just that day was solely based, just whatever I made that day was going to buy my watch. I wasn't trying to do anything more, get a more expensive watch like me anyway. Plus, I've been wanting this watch anyway. So, and I made sure it wasn't affecting my bills. Like, I made sure all my bills were going to be paid, all of that. So, I was being very responsible when trying to purchase this watch. Just to put that out there for anybody who like, oh, well, you could have put that towards something else. Baby, all my shit is already paid. So, let it go. Alright, so anyway, I want to show you guys what I decided to buy for my birthday. I bought, as you can tell by the title, a Gucci watch. Like, let me see if it... Anyway, I bought the Gucci watch. I purchased this watch from MACYS, where I live at. I didn't know MACYS carry Gucci, so it was a shock to me that MACY actually carried Gucci. Now, they only carry Gucci watches. They don't carry like the purses and shoes and all that stuff. They just carry the watches. So, like I said, I was super shocked that they carry Gucci. So, I'm going to open it up. I'm waiting till my phone load. Okay, there it go. So, it comes like this. It comes in a little box. Top come off of it, and it still look like the same thing as the top. So, you open it up. And this is what you get. This is my Gucci watch. Let me tell you what it is. It is the, let me show you. It is the Gucci UNISEX Swiss G-Timeless White Hologram Leather Strap Watch, 38 millimeter. It says the Gucci GG logo seems to float above the white leather of this holographic signature Swiss watch from the G-Timeless collection. Style number, just in case you want to purchase it or look at it. Style number YA1264058. So it looks like this. I'm going to take it out the box. So it's actually on this little pillow, and then you have the, whatever, I guess it's like the pamphlet or something that actually comes with it that I hardly ever look at. So I'm going to put that down to the side. So this is the watch. I wish you can really see the details of it. Like, so anyway, I'm just going to explain it to you. It is a white leather band, which I love that because I feel like it can go with a lot of things. So, yeah, it's a white leather band that has the G Classics logo all through it, the double G logo all through it, and it's actually hologram, so it actually looks 3D. I don't know if that makes any sense. It actually looks 3D. So around the face of it is silver, and then on the dial right here you have the double G logo as well, and on the back you have the Gucci buckle, and then you have the black leather bands to kind of secure your buckle, your leather band. Alright, so when you take it off the pillow, first thing you see is you have the black watch band at the back, and then you have the stainless steel, that's what the stainless steel right here, and then you have the Gucci sign that's like printed in here. And around the Gucci sign, I just noticed around the Gucci sign it has a snake going around it. And then also on the leather band you have the Gucci right here, and right here it says 20 UFY. I don't know what that means, but yeah. So it looks like this. I absolutely love it. Some of you guys probably already saw this in one of my videos already. So let me put it on and show you. I like my watches snug, so I'm not going to snug it this time. Alright, so I wear my watches on my right hand side because it's easy for me to tell time, like, hey, what time is it? And you can easily look like that. So this is it on my wrist. I really want you guys to see the double Gucci sign. Like, I feel like it's so neat. I'm gonna have to take a picture and show you guys exactly what it looks like somewhere right here I'm gonna show you. But yeah, so that is my Gucci watch. Let me kind of tell you a little bit more about it. So I bought this watch from Macy's for $920. I'm pretty sure you can probably get a discount on it when Macy's have their family and friends sale. Or you can actually go to the Gucci website if you really want it. This was the last one I bought at Macy's. So, like I said, I'm pretty sure you can go on the website or to the actual Gucci website and purchase this watch. I already put the style number. I will definitely put the link below so you can actually find it easier. So, yeah. So, I hope you guys like this little bit of an unboxing or tell-all type of what you call video. So yeah, I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys decide to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.